Be ready, start. Members, I welcome you to your laborers in a new session of Parliament. I wish you another year of dedicated work in the service of our country. Para, this is the first budget session of a new decade. Behind us lies the decade of the 60s. This period has been one of anxiety, of trials and tribulations, and also for achievement. India had to face two wars and 2 years of unprecedented drought. All citizens stout-heartedly faced this period of trial. The wars brought home to us the unscapable necessity for self-reliance, and the drought focused our energies on augmentation of agricultural production. Indeed, a new strategy for agricultural development was implemented during this period, and its success has attracted worldwide attention. Para, the challenge posed by the industrial recession was also met in a variety of ways. Many industrial units began diversifying their production. The search for markets for our goods was intensified. Para, taking stock of our record during the period beginning with our independence and ending with the decade of the 60s. Honorable members will recognize the range and scope of our country's achievement in industry and technology and in education and the arts. Para, the path of progress tends to be uneven and beset with reverses, frustration, and hardship. However, our country today is no longer stagnant, it is an permanent. The aspirations of our people and their hopes have been aroused. They are vocal and impatient, conscious of their needs and rights. Para, there has been an unleashing of a vast amount of human energy and enthusiasm. Ideas, attitudes, and even habits are rapidly changing, and this transformation is taking place by consent and within the framework of political democracy. Governments are determined to give to these vast forces which have been unleashed by the developments of the 2 decades a new sense of direction and purpose as well as a realizable goal. Para, government are actually aware of the inequalities in the country which became glaring when constituted with the prosperity of some sections of the community. Consequently, change in the social structure and the removal of poverty are two aspects of the same question. One cannot be achieved without the other. Para, government are resolved to go forward at a faster pace towards the achievement of a social order which is just and humane by taking particular care of the weaker and poor sections of the community as a whole. Stop.